The global arms market has a new heavyweight. In a series of historic moves, Pakistan has secured a staggering $12.6 billion plus in defense export deals. From the steppes of Azerbaijan to the sands of North Africa, the Made in Pakistan brand is taking over. Today we look at the four nations driving this massive surge. This isn't just about selling bullets. We are talking about high-end aerospace, precision-guided munitions, and advanced armor. Azerbaijan. Following their victory in Karabakh, Baku has become the primary client for the JF-17 Block 3, with deals estimated between $3 billion and $4 billion. Libya. Reports indicate a massive $4.6 billion framework for drones, jets, and tactical vehicles. Saudi Arabia, a strategic shift toward Pakistani-made technology, focusing on the Fatah rocket systems and the Shahpar-II drones. Sudan, rebuilding their capabilities with Pakistani small arms, ammunition, and armored personnel carriers. The star of the show is undoubtedly the JF-17 Block 3. For countries like Azerbaijan, this jet provides 4.5 generation capabilities, like AESA radar and PL-15 missiles, at a price point Western manufacturers can't touch. These aren't just planes, they are full-service packages including training, maintenance, and munitions, creating long-term economic ties worth billions. But it's not just aircraft. Pakistan's Shahpar-II UCAV has become a bestseller because it is combat-proven. In modern warfare, reliability is everything. Saudi Arabia and Sudan have looked toward Pakistan's GMLRS systems, like the Fatah series, to provide deep strike precision without the high cost of ballistic missiles. This $12.6 billion portfolio is built on a simple premise: tech that works when it matters most. What does $12.6 billion mean for Pakistan? It's a lifeline. This revenue is helping stabilize the economy, funding the next generation of fifth-gen fighter research, Project PFX, and reducing the burden on the national budget. Pakistan has successfully turned its defense industry into a primary engine of economic growth. Azerbaijan, Libya, Saudi Arabia, and Sudan are just the beginning. As the JF-17 and Fatah systems gain more battle experience by hammering India, more nations are lining up. Pakistan is no longer just defending its borders, it's arming the world. Which of these deals do you think is the most strategic? Let us know in the comments. Subscribe for more deep dives into the future of power. Thanks for watching.